Experience the awe-inspiring Saab 39 Gripen fighter jet as it propels you to new heights. This aircraft is a marvel of engineering, combining sleek design with mind-blowing capabilities. Join us on an exhilarating journey into the cutting-edge world of this extraordinary war machine. If you share our passion for aviation, show your support by liking, subscribing, and ringing the bell for more thrilling content. Let's embark on this adrenaline-pumping adventure together. The Saab 39 Gripen, also known as the Saab JAS 39 Gripen, has a fascinating history that spans decades. Developed by Saab, the Gripen was specifically designed to be a versatile and cost-effective multi-role fighter jet. The Gripen's development began in the late 1970s as a replacement for the aging fleet of fighters in the Swedish Air Force. Saab's goal was to create a next-generation fighter that excelled in both air-to-air combat and ground attack missions, all while being affordable to operate. On December 9, 1988, the first Gripen prototype, designated Gripen 39-1, took to the skies. It showcased groundbreaking features, including a delta-wing design, canard control surfaces, and advanced avionics. These innovative design elements contributed to the Gripen's exceptional maneuverability, high speed, and ability to take off and land in short distances. Following successful flight testing, the Gripen entered service with the Swedish Air Force in 1997. Marking a significant milestone for Saab and enhancing Sweden's defense capabilities. Over the years, the Gripen has undergone continuous improvements and upgrades to further enhance its performance, combat capabilities, and compatibility with modern weapon systems. The Gripen fighter jet, developed by Saab, has gained international recognition after its success in Sweden. It has been exported to various countries, including South Africa, Hungary, the Czech Republic, and Thailand. The Gripen is known for its reliability, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. One of the standout features of the Gripen is its advanced avionics system, which includes a modern radar, sophisticated electronic warfare systems, and a powerful mission computer. These advancements enable the Gripen to perform effectively in different environments, gather real-time intelligence, and engage targets accurately. The Gripen's focus on easy maintenance and high availability has made it a preferred choice for air forces worldwide. Its modular design and efficient logistics support contribute to minimal downtime, lower costs, and improved operational readiness. Saab has introduced the latest version of the Gripen, the Gripen E/F, which brings significant enhancements. It features a more powerful engine, increased fuel capacity, improved stealth capabilities, and an advanced electronic warfare suite. These updates solidify the Gripen's position as a cutting-edge fighter jet for modern warfare. With its impressive performance, advanced technology, and cost-effective operation, the Saab 39 Gripen fighter jet has become a formidable force in aerial warfare. It continues to evolve and adapt to meet the changing needs of air forces worldwide, ensuring its prominent role in military aviation. The Gripen fighter jet has a unique wing design known as a delta wing, with sharply swept leading edges and a distinctive triangular shape. This wing design gives the aircraft excellent maneuverability, allowing it to make quick turns, perform tight aerial maneuvers, and stay stable at different speeds and altitudes. In addition to the delta wing, the Gripen has canard control surfaces positioned in front of the main wings. These small wing-like surfaces provide extra lift and control, making the aircraft more agile and responsive. The canards also help the Gripen maintain stability and maneuverability at high and low speeds. The Gripen's fuselage is designed to be stealthy, reducing its radar visibility and increasing its chances of survival. The sleek lines and smooth surfaces of the aircraft minimize its radar signature, making it harder for enemies to detect and track. Inside the cockpit, the Gripen prioritizes pilot comfort and situational awareness. The wide canopy offers an excellent field of view, giving the pilot great visibility. The advanced avionics systems and displays in the cockpit allow the pilot to process information efficiently and control the aircraft's systems with ease. The Gripen utilizes advanced fly-by-wire flight controls, which use electronic signals to transmit the pilot's commands and adjust the control surfaces. This technology improves the aircraft's flight characteristics, stability, and control accuracy. It also enables features like automatic recovery from unusual flight positions. Furthermore, the Gripen is equipped with a sophisticated avionics suite, including a modern radar system, electronic warfare systems, and a powerful mission computer. These systems enable the Gripen to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, share real-time information with other aircraft and ground stations, and effectively employ various weapons. The Gripen's modular design makes maintenance, repair, and upgrades easier. Components can be efficiently replaced, reducing downtime and increasing the availability of the aircraft. This maintenance-friendly design contributes to lower costs over the aircraft's lifetime and improves its readiness for operations. The Saab 39 Gripen fighter jet is designed to be a versatile and effective aircraft in various types of missions. It has advanced features and capabilities that make it a formidable force in modern warfare. With its advanced radar systems and sensors, the Gripen can accurately detect and engage enemy aircraft. Its agility, speed, and quick response give it an advantage in air-to-air combat. The Gripen is also highly capable in ground attack missions, able to deploy a wide range of air-to-ground weapons with precision. Its advanced targeting systems and data link capabilities allow it to strike ground targets, such as enemy vehicles and installations, effectively. In addition, the Gripen can perform reconnaissance missions, providing real-time intelligence and situational awareness to ground forces. Its sensors and cameras capture high-resolution imagery, transmitting it instantly for quick decision-making and mission planning. The Gripen is equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems, which detect and counter threats from enemy radar and missiles. It can also gather electronic intelligence and disrupt enemy communications and radar networks, supporting friendly forces. The Gripen's capabilities make it a versatile and powerful fighter jet that excels in a variety of missions, making it a valuable asset in modern warfare. The Gripen fighter jet is specifically designed to excel in modern warfare environments where communication and information sharing are crucial. It effortlessly communicates and shares data with other friendly aircraft, ground units, and command centers, enabling coordinated operations and real-time situational awareness. This enhances decision-making and improves the overall effectiveness of joint military efforts. Thanks to its delta-wing design and powerful engine, the Gripen can take off and land on short and unprepared runways. This remarkable short takeoff and landing stall capability give it the flexibility to operate from various locations, including remote and challenging airfields. Equipped with advanced beyond visual range BVR air-to-air missiles, the Gripen can engage and eliminate enemy aircraft from considerable distances. This gives the Gripen a tactical advantage by allowing it to engage targets before they come into visual range, providing an upper hand in aerial combat situations. The Gripen's design philosophy revolves around simplicity and cost-effectiveness. Its modular design and efficient logistics support lead to reduced maintenance and operational costs. As a result, the Gripen offers a lower life cycle cost compared to other fighter jets, making it an attractive option for air forces with limited budgets while maintaining high operational readiness. The Saab 39 Gripen fighter jet possesses an impressive array of capabilities that make it a versatile and powerful aircraft across a range of mission scenarios. With its advanced technology, outstanding performance, and cost-effective operation, it stands as a top choice for air forces seeking a capable and adaptable multi-role fighter for their defense requirements. We've reached the end of this thrilling exploration into the extraordinary Saab 39 Gripen fighter jet. If you were as captivated by its power and agility as we were, make sure to smash that like button and show your support. Don't miss out on future adventures by subscribing to our channel and ringing the bell for notifications. We value your feedback, so leave a comment below and let us know your favorite aspect of the Saab 39 Gripen. Join us again for more high-flying excitement as we continue to unravel the wonders of aviation.